Hello children, hope you have understood everything that was taught during our interaction section. Now let us again move to this video. Now we are going to see in today's period the fifth chapter. Fifth chapter is a poetry, Yugma Mala. It is for learning by heart. So you have to learn it and understand it properly. संस्कृत साहित्ये शब्दयुग्मानि प्रसिद्धानि यथा यदा तदा यावत् तावत् यत्र तत्र यथा राजा तथा प्रजा शब्दयुग्मानाम् उपयोगेन श्लोकस्य वाक्यस्य वा सौन्दर्यं वर्धते. Now this is a new concept to you. संस्कृत साहित्ये शब्दयुग्मानि प्रसिद्धानि. शब्दयुग्म means pair of words. Shabdayugmani is a plural word which means there are number of pair of words existing in Sanskrit language, in Sanskrit literature. Prasiddhani means they are famous. For example, yada tada, yavat tavat, yatra tatra, and the examples are also given, that is yatha raja tatha praja. You must have heard this phrase, yatha raja tatha praja. That means as the king is there, the praja, that is the subjects, are also just as the king is. Shabda yugmanam upayogena, by using the pair of words, shlokasya vakyasya va, of some verse or of some sentence, saundaryam vardhate, the beauty of any kind of shlok or any kind of sentence is increased by using this pair of words. And therefore, if you go back to the title, Yugma Mala. Yugma means pair of words and Mala means its garland. So it is a garland of verses where you will find the pair of words used. See the first one. This is in Vanshastham Vrutta. Yatha chaturbhi kanakam parikshate nigharshana chedana tapatadanaihi तथा चतुर्भिः पुरुषः परीक्षते श्रुतेन शीलेन गुणेन कर्मणा. It is taken from Vruddha Chanakya Shataka. Now let us understand the meaning of this verse. Yatha chaturbhihi kanakam parikshate. Now in the first verse you will find the first word, that is yatha, and its pair word is in the second line, that is tatha. Yatha chaturbhihi kanakam. Kanakam means gold. Chaturbhi means by four ways. Yatha, as. Parikshate is tested or is examined. A gold, the purity of gold is examined through four ways. There are four ways of testing the gold. Which are those? Nigharshana. Nigharshana means friction. Chedana means by making holes or by striking something. Tapa means by heating it. And tadana means again striking it with some other thing. So when a metal passes through all these four tests, then it is understood that it is a pure gold. So purity of gold is examined through four ways. That is by rubbing it, that is friction, then by making hole in it, by heating it, and by striking it with something. Tatha, in the same way, chaturbhihi purushah parikshate. Purushah, a man, a person, a human being, is tested or is examined by four ways. How is that? Shrutena. Shrutena means how knowledgeable is he, how much he knows. How much he knows means how educated the person is. Shilena, by his character. Shila means character. Gunena, guna means virtues, qualities, by the qualities a person possesses. And karmana, by the action. Karma means action. Karmana, gunena, shilena, shrutena, all these four words are in trutiya. So by character, by education, by virtue, and actual by the action, by his deeds. So as gold is tested by four ways, that is by friction, by making hole, by heating it, and by striking. In the same way, a person is tested in four ways, that is by his education, by his character, by his virtues, and by his actions or by his deeds. So in this way, when a person is said to be a good person, he passes through all these four tests. Hope this is clear to you. Now Anvay is given, and the pair of words Yatha and Tatha, that is written in different colored inks. Hope you have understood it properly. Let us move to the next verse. Yatra vidvajjano nasti shlaghyastatralpadhirapi nirastapadape deshe erandopi drumayate. Yatra vidvajjano nasti. Nasti has got two words, na plus asti. Vidvajjano is actually vidvajjanah plus na plus asti. Sandhi is observed, and therefore you can see the word written as vidvajjano. So it is actually vidvajjanah, which means very very intelligent people. Nasti na asti are not there, where there are no intelligent people. See the next word, shlaghyah plus tatra plus alpadhihi plus api. Four words are combined. Shlaghyah plus tatra plus alpadhihi plus api. So shlaghyah means respectable, becomes very very worthy, very very important. Tatra, there, it becomes very very important, worthy there. Alpadhihi api. Alpadhihi, alpadhihi yasya saha means one having very very less wisdom, very very less intelligence. Alpadhihi, a person having very very less intelligence becomes very very important there, where there are na vidvajjanah, where there are no intelligent people, where there are very less intelligent people in that group. Even a person having a little bit of intelligence becomes very very respectable. मराठीमध्ये वासरामध्ये लंगडी गाय असं म्हणतात, that is applicable over here. वासरात लंगडी गाय. So where there are, if just imagine there is a group of 10 people and hardly anybody understands anything. So in this group, even if there is one person who knows a little bit, becomes very very respectable, very very worthy. Got it? For that one example is given. Nirasta padape deshe. Padapa means tree. Vrukshah, taruhu, all these words are the synonyms of this word. Nirasta means where there are no padapa, that is tree, in a region where there are no trees. Erandaha api. Erandaha means castor. Erandaha api. Erandaha plus api, two words are combined. It is just a small tree, bush kind of tree. Drumayate means gets the respect of tree. Drumayate, it is considered to be tree, because there are no trees around anywhere. Therefore, even a small bush is also considered to be a tree. Just as in the group of people where there are no intelligent people, a person having little wisdom also becomes very very worthy, very very important person. In the same way, where in the region where there are no trees, even the tree of castor becomes a huge tree, considered to be a huge tree. Now here there is the couple of words which is used here, pair of words which is used over here is yatra and tatra. Tatra word exists in the last word which is in the first line. Shlaghya plus tatra, you can see the sandhi below verse, and tatra word can be seen in the sandhi, separated sandhis. So yatra and tatra, these are the pair of words which are used. In the Anvay also you can see yatra and tatra which are given in different ink. Two words are given in different ink. That means it is the pair of words which is used over here. Okay, hope it is understood. Let's move to the next verse. Tavad bhayadhibhetavyam yavad bhayamanagatam agatam tu bhayam viksha narah kuryad yathochitam. Tavat bhayat hi. Two words are combined, bhayat plus hi, where bhayat is ablative case, panchami vibhakti, and the noun is bhaya. Bhaya means being frightened, bhiti, ghabarne. भयादि भेतव्यम. भेतव्यम is धातु साधित विशेषण. To be frightened of. We should be frightened of fear. यावत भयम प्लस अनागतम. Till the moment. यावत तावत means जेव्हापासून तेव्हापर्यंत असं जे मराठीत म्हणतो तसं आहे ते. त्या क्षणापासून या क्षणापासून त्या क्षणापर्यंत. सो यू शुड बी फ्राइटन्ड ऑफ फिअर टिल the bhayam anagatam, till the fear doesn't come to you. Fear means considered it to be a difficult situation. Now you can relate it with corona, latest situation. So everybody is afraid of this situation, this disease. So that till the moment it comes to you, I don't want you to be imagining that situation, but be frightened of fear till the fear comes to you. आगतम तु भयम वीक्ष. वीक्ष इज लबंतव्य अँड भयम वीक्ष. वीक्ष मीन्स सीइंग द फिअर कमिंग टू यू. आगतम म्हणजे येत आहे तुमच्याकडे काहीतरी भीतीदायक किंवा अनवॉन्टेड सिच्युएशन जर येते आहे तर नरह कुर्यात यथा उचितम. यथोचितम इज अगेन कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू वर्ड्स. यथा उचितम. उचितम मीन्स राईट, प्रॉपर. कुर्यात मीन्स शुड बी, डन. अगेन इट इज अ धातु साधित विशेषण. So a person should do only that which is appropriate, which is right, which is proper to do in that situation. So you are afraid of certain situation till it comes to you, but once it comes to you, you should do only that which is appropriate, which is better, and which will take you out of that fear. Hope it is properly understood by you. So let us meet in next period to see the remaining verses. Till then, keep reading. Write down the verses 2 times every day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.